When you try this simple powder on silver, the transformation will absolutely amaze you. The sparkle, brightness, and cleanliness you get will seem almost magical, and the beauty of it all is that this process is incredibly easy. Anyone can do it comfortably at home as a fun DIY activity without the need for fancy tools or costly cleaning products. In this short demonstration, I'll show you how to safely bring back the original glow to your silver pieces, whether they are jewelry, cutlery, or home decorations. To start, take a small bowl made of plastic or glass. Pour in a little clean water, which will serve as the base for your mixture. This simple step helps all the ingredients combine smoothly, forming a gentle paste that will be easy to spread on the surface of the silver. Next, add a small amount of toothpaste to the water and stir slowly until it becomes an even, creamy solution. Toothpaste works as a mild cleanser. It lifts dirt and dullness while keeping the delicate surface of the silver safe from scratches. Friends, please share in the comments how you usually clean your silver and which home tricks have worked best for you. I really enjoy reading your ideas and learning new methods from your experiences. Now it's time for the main ingredient: 1 full tablespoon of baking soda. Add it to the mixture and stir until you get a smooth paste. When combined with toothpaste, baking soda becomes a powerful cleaning partner, effectively removing tarnish, oxidation, and built-up grime. Baking soda acts as a light abrasive that scrubs gently, while the toothpaste enhances shine and polishes the silver to a beautiful finish. Once your paste is ready, apply it evenly to your silver items using a soft cloth or even your fingers. There's no need to apply too much pressure. Gentle circular motions are enough to lift away the dirt and bring back the shine. After a few minutes, rinse your silver thoroughly under running water and dry it completely with a clean, soft towel. You'll be amazed at the transformation. Your silver will sparkle brilliantly, as if it were brand new. For example, this bracelet is 27 years old, yet after cleaning it with this DIY mixture, it looks as bright and elegant as the day it was bought. The result truly impressed me, and I'm sure it will surprise you too. Dear friends, I hope you found this do-it-yourself method helpful and inspiring. If you think someone else could benefit from it, please share this video and spread the knowledge. Thank you so much for watching, and I wish you great success with your home projects.